It's going.
Just as you are to worship, come, just as you are before your God, come. One day every tongue will confess you are God. One day every knee will bow. Still the greatest treasure remains for those who gladly choose you now. Come, now is the time to worship. Come, now is the time to give your just as you are to worship. Come, just as you are before your God. Come, let's worship, let's worship
Okay, what do we think?
Very consistent all the way through.
Good syncopations. Very nice. That one.
Anything else?
Wait.
You thought he got bigger?
Verse.
You got a bigger gesture when he got louder? I thought you could have done that a little more. Anybody else?
Divisions.
So you took breaths on the end, and the entrances.
You look great, Will. You really do. Your beat pattern is terrific. Now you just need to look up more,
Okay.
get more face into it, make sure your face shows the expression. Your beat pattern is wonderful. It's so easy and so clear, easy to follow. And as Megan alluded to, when you subdivide it in bar, what is that,
That's what it's
43,
called.
to get that syncopated hit, it was perfect. I mean, it was just, what else can you do with your right hand only? So that was very good. I'd like to see you give a few more internal final consonants.
Okay.
Just give occasionally, and in order to do internal cutoffs or releases group, you got to look up. It's kind of like a cue at the end of a phrase. So you have to look up when you do those, and you just touch the beat that you want the consonant to go on, but you got to be looking up. Let's do a little bit of that, Will. I mean, it's just all so very good. Let's just put some of that on there. Why don't we, well, let's just start at the beginning. Give a few final consonants. You can decide which ones you want to do. Try to look up a little more. Look up, use more, when you're cueing somebody to start singing, come, and like one day, it's like this. One day, this is exciting. One day every time. Try again from the top. Okay, now do this. Look up even a little, yeah, like a bar or maybe even two ahead, because this is the first entrance for the choir. So give them more than just one count. Did you look up in time? Well, yeah, but you can, especially for a first entrance, just, you know, here we are, we're getting ready to go, here we go. Come. Once again, Sebastian, please. There we go. Catch some eyes and that's it. Keep going.
Now is the time to worship. Come. Now is the time to give your heart.
Okay. I'd like to see you do that heart on 3. Can you just do that bar? Heart. Heart. Heart.
What I just do like that?
Just tap 3. A little stronger, and give him the T with your mouth and with your face, like this. Heart. Don't try to change your pattern or do a C or yeah.
Okay.
Again.
Heart.
Yeah. See, that's going to make all the difference as opposed to getting heart. And you'll get all kinds of T's depending upon where you actually decide to put that. All right. So try to apply that all the way. Now let's just start it from the top. One more time. Let's be sure that that was in tempo. One more time. Straight up and then back down, right? That's it. One more time. Now this time, before you bring me in, let me just know that you're audiating inside. Great. Let's go on to the end. Okay, can we start where it says, let's worship God? Whatever bar that is, on 51 maybe. It's on page 12.
Like the last Let's Worship God?
Yeah.
And what, you want me to bring you in
Yeah. So you're bringing me in on
on the
2.
Let's? Okay.
Yeah. And you're who you're cueing on 1?
Um,
The band. Yeah. So you're gonna have to do 1.
1.
Let's worship. 1. Let's worship. Make sure that we know that we're coming in on 2. All right.
so,
Do the last bar before you do the cutoff.
okay. So,
Just the F chord. 1, 2, 3, da ba da ba da. 1, 2, 3, boom. Just right there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, ba ba da ba dum. Yeah, that's tough because you're coming straight up, right? So how are we gonna do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You know what I would do? I'd cheat on the end of on the 4th
Come
count.
up just a little bit.
To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of coming straight up, you're going 4. You're kind of taking the rebound that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. So you can swing it that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could also do it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. But if you come straight up, you don't have as much of a loop. So cheat on the rebound of 4 and come up a little bit to a diagonal either way. Now, and the thing is, if you tell your choir you're going to bring them in on 2, okay, but the orchestra plays on 1, really you're going to probably need to look the other direction a little bit for 1. 1. Let's worship. Okay, so the choir definitely comes in. And you give them a real strong interest there on 2. Let's start. Can we start at the same place? Let's worship. Yeah, more. As soon as you look at the orchestra, you got to look back at the choir. Okay, because the choir has to really see most of your attention. All right? And then a big loop for the choir. Watch. 1. Let's worship. Better, once again, that's better. Bless you. You took the third beat back the same way you came in, but, I mean, it was effective enough.
Yeah, I'll try to rebound that a little.
Okay, yeah, that's acceptable. Thank you. You're a good conductor, Will. By the way, stand up a little bit taller.
Okay.
Try to do a 4 pattern. Yeah, be sure that your shoulders in no sense, I mean, and this would be very, yeah. Yeah, to me, that's a little better posture, you know, as opposed to just this. And it's very slight. I mean, your posture is, you know, about 90%, so just make it 100. Good, thank you, Will. It was well done.
How do you feel? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that. Stunner.